Would you ever skip a blood test because you're scared of the results? Then why fear your horoscope? Astrology is not a judgment, it's a report. Just like your body has health parameters, your life has energetic patterns, and your horoscope simply reflects them. I'm Dr. Akila, your astro guide, and today I want you to shift your perspective on astrology completely. A horoscope is not some magic prediction tool, it's your soul's diagnostic scan, just like a blood report shows sugar, iron, and cholesterol. Your chart shows planetary combinations, trends, and imbalances. It reflects emotional wiring, karmic lessons, timing of highs and lows, and areas that need care. For example, if Saturn is in a challenging position, it may indicate delays, rewards, discipline issues, or karmic baggage. But it's not a punishment, just like high cholesterol isn't a curse, it's a signal. I'm sure you all would have heard of terms like doshas in a horoscope, and people panic when they hear terms like manglik, karasarp, or pitra doshas. But just for a moment, think of this. If a doctor tells you you have a vitamin D deficiency, would you start crying? No. You take supplements and sun exposure and also adjust your diet. A dosha is also the same, an imbalance. Remedies in astrology are like treatment plans. Mantras, that is sound healing. Fasting brings discipline in life. Charitable actions, that is karmic balancing. Gemstones, this is for vibration alignment. Puja for mental purification. These are not superstitions, they are energy corrections, just like yoga or therapy. I always have a discussion on this topic with my clients. Why we trust doctors and not astrologers? And I tell them that the real problem is psychological. We have made medicine a science and astrology a superstition, but both are observational systems. A doctor observes patterns in the body, and an astrologer observes patterns in the planetary positions in the horoscope and their impact on human life. Just because you can't see Jupiter or Saturn's energy doesn't mean it isn't working. Just like you don't see hormones but still feel their impact. The fear around astrology is man-made because of irresponsible practitioners, media myths, and vague predictions. Astrological remedies aren't magic pills because no remedy will change your life overnight. They are not escape routes, they are coping mechanisms. If your dasha indicates a tough Saturn period, a remedy helps you only to manage that time better. You may still face delays, but you won't feel lost. The aim is not to remove karma, the aim is to walk through it consciously. When you approach an astrologer or are trying to analyze your own chart, don't ask, am I doomed? Instead, ask, what is my life trying to teach me now? Astrology is here to guide your decisions, prepare you for upcoming transitions, help you understand repeating life patterns, heal your past, and plan your future. It's your personal report card, not a verdict. Let's stop fearing our birth chart like it's a curse. You wouldn't ignore your blood pressure readings, so don't ignore your karmic patterns either. Instead of fearing your horoscope, learn from it. And instead of asking when will this bad period end, ask what am I meant to learn from it. If you're ready to understand your life patterns deeply and practically, with a blend of astrology, palmistry, and psychology, I'd be honored to guide you. To book your session, visit astroakilamurthy.com. Share this with someone who's scared of your horoscope and help them reclaim clarity, not fear. Until next time, trust your stars, but more importantly, trust your inner strength.